Okay, so this is Jujubee. She's been flying around for about, I don't know, about an hour or so. And she's come back to get some food. And
let me get that off your beak. Yeah.
She's flying pretty good.
I want to get that tongue. That's a good tongue. Yeah, that's good. That's a very good tongue. Here you go. Want some tree blood? Want it?
She flew up in the tree, and then the girls were jumping on the trampoline, and she just came back down to the trampoline to jump.
You love tree sap.
Yeah. Now she's come over to the railing on the deck.
That tickled.
She's been hanging out here for a while.
That tickles, Jujube. Whoa! You really like tree sap. Oh, that's not tree sap. There's no tree sap there.
She seems to like tree sap.
Here you go. Tastes good, huh? Some good tree sap. Very natural.
So, that's Jujube.
That stuff everywhere.
Make her do some flying, Elizabeth.
I don't know.
She didn't want to?
No. Right now she wants to eat sap.
Okay.
My fingers are covered with it. So, yeah, lick your dog food. Lick it. Lick it. Lick that dog food. No? Like this? This? No? Good job. That's not very natural, though. Lick it. Mommy, so apparently she knows how to get her own food. Yeah, we can leave bowls of applesauce everywhere. Yeah, Mommy, now we can leave bowls of applesauce everywhere and she'll come back.
How are the baby robins doing? Oh, really?
Yeah, she just jumped on the deck and
There's baby robins.
what's she feeding?
They're kind of sleepy. This one looks like it's dead.
Yeah,